Hello students, I shall tell you now how to pass exam. In this, there will be 9 questions of 3 marks, 9 into 3, 27 marks. If you try this, you can easily pass. I will tell you how you can pass. Understand properly. First, read the question and understand. Read and understand the questions properly. Second, always write the answer in bullet form like this. Don't write long answers. You have to write in bullets. Third, if the answer is lengthy, reduce the size and write only important words. Only important. You all must be scared to see long answers. You must be getting nervous. You must be nervous. If you listen to my method to write short answers, you have to practice as per what I say. Sixth, you will get full marks. Once again, remember, %50 of the answer is in the question only. You have to take it out of the question only. You have to take out the question from the question. Let me tell you in detail how to take it out. Understand this process properly. Preparatory paper. Preparatory paper, question 30. Road transport plays an important role in the economic development. Important role in development. How? Justify. When you see question, you should imagine what the question is about. It is about transport, road transport, bus, KSRTC bus. It is about bus. Then economic, money, development. Important is very key thing. These 4 things, 4 words, you should 4 words if you remember, you can write the answer. Now let us see the answer. First, this answer is long. rural development and agriculture development. Rural means of the villages. Agriculture is, you know what. Help farmers to take their produce to market. To take it to market. How to take it? Third, road transport is a public utility required for everyone. Fourth, helps defense of the nation. If these 4 points you have to remember. These are long. We will reduce it. We will write important points. First, road transport. Entire thing is about road transport. So, first write, copy from the question, road transport. Then, first, only write development, rural and agriculture. Only 3. Second, farmers take their produce to market. Produce to market. These 3 you should remember. Third, public utility for people. Fourth, nation's defense. If you remember 4 points, if you write 4 points, you will get full marks. When you get question, you should get a picture of the question and imagine and then practice. Today I have given you for practice. From tomorrow I will give you even long questions for you to write answer. Okay? Thank you.